What's going on, YouTubers? It's Matthew Vic, and I got the JoJo Lena. And check this out. She has matching socks on, and that never happens.
I know, usually I just run in and grab my socks and throw them on.
And you guys maybe hear a little bit of noise up there. We got some roofers throwing a new roof on. And JoJo, what are we gonna talk about today?
Today we're gonna talk about how not to be a cheap hauler and how to get those quality customers.
So let's get this money, guys. So we're heading out to the first job of the day, and today's gonna be an easy day. We have some other things to take care of today, and JoJo, what have we done in 3 years in the junk removal business?
Well, this is the reason why we're telling you not to be a cheap hauler is because in 3 years of having this business, we've been able to purchase a dump truck, buy vehicles and get them wrapped, buy a home, get a new roof put on the home. We wouldn't be able to do those things if we were the cheapest haulers around.
Yeah, we bought a house in California. Imagine that in 3 years. So don't be a cheap hauler unless you want to be a cheap hauler and keep renting. So yeah, we're heading out to the first job of the day. And this ain't to brag. This is to motivate you guys. Good things happen if you get to hauling and balling and hit them with that price. So let's go get this money, JoJo.
Let's go.
Let's do it. So here's the first job of the day. It's these 2 posts, and then we have a dishwasher that needs to go too. You ready, JoJo, or what? So now leave a comment down below what you guys would charge for that job. But first, I want you to think about it and to ask yourself, how much are you worth? This is free to dump, so leave it in the comments down below what you guys would charge. I'm kind of curious. Now keep in mind, you might think it was free, but in reality, you're paying that person per hour that's sitting next to you. You got to put gas in your vehicle, and you might get a flat tire at the scrap yard. So don't have that mindset thinking it's free, I can dump this for free. It ain't free.
No, and you don't want to be known as the cheapest hauler.
Oh, you definitely don't want to be known as the cheapest hauler. So cheap customers have cheap people they know, and they will tell everyone that you're a cheap guy. So don't do that. Don't be that person. So we're heading to the next one. Are you ready, JoJo?
I'm ready. You know what? Not only that though, but when you're a super cheap hauler, you kind of ruin the prices for other haulers.
You are 100% correct. So let's go get this money, JoJo. And don't be cheap today.
I'm not going to be cheap.
Unless we're ordering something from the menu. You better be cheap.
I'm expensive.
I'm just kidding, guys. We're getting money today. So we are at the next job of the day, and this is a contract we have with the Salvation Army. And we're in a big building. This lady actually passed away, and this whole 1-bedroom apartment needs to be cleaned up. And JoJo, you want to show them around or what?
Yeah, we can show you things that need to be taken away. Sometimes these type of jobs are a little bit more time consuming because as you can see, there's things that are in cupboards and things that are in drawers. So when you have to put things in boxes, it does take a little bit more time. Also, this closet is full of stuff.
Which it really ain't that bad, I don't think. So
yeah, it's not that bad, but to get in and out of here, we need to take an elevator.
and that makes life easy, guys. So, and also there is a full load downstairs. This is a great contract to have. There's what, probably about 8 refrigerators down there.
Oh, at least.
Stoves. We got another full load downstairs. We don't have a full load here, I don't think, but pretty close. With a couple mattresses downstairs. So we got 2 full loads, and I had no idea that today was gonna be like this. I thought we were gonna have an easy day and be done early, but you know what? That ain't gonna happen.
Yeah, you know, with junk removal, you never know. You show up at a job and sometimes it's smaller than you think and sometimes it's bigger than you think.
And I also got a lady coming from 3 hours away to buy a junk find that I found probably about 6 months ago with some Tonka toys. I'll leave some pictures right here. and I'm selling these for $250. So she's showing up at the house at noon, and I left them outside. So hopefully she's not a dirtbag. I'm gonna tell her, pick them up and leave the cash underneath my doormat.
It's awesome with junk removal. Even when your job is done, you're still making money.
Oh yeah, and if you guys want to make good money, you gotta play that part so you can charge a higher price and bump that price up. And how we do that, you gotta look professional like the big boys. You gotta have the hats, the uniforms. You see our dump truck, we look clean when we show up so we can make that good money. So, you ready, JoJo, or what?
Ready.
Are you gonna look for money in here or what?
No, I've already started.
Are you checking pockets right now? You know I am. Let's get it. And now something I always do to make sure I always grab everything. Whenever a cupboard is done, I leave the door open until it's time to leave. I'll leave all the cupboards open to make sure I get everything out so I can see in there. And then once I'm done with the job, I'll close them all. That's how I do it. And that's the tip of the day. Oh, hell no, JoJo. You're not rocking that walking around with Moa.
No, this is actually looks nice for a man. It's small. I like that type of.
Should I try it on, guys? So that I look swole, guys. I've been working out a little bit.
It's also really good to utilize the material and tools that you see around you. Like this house had bags. It had bags that you could just use to load up.
Now you wanna know what the JoJo just said? She said this is exactly how I look in the morning. What the hell, JoJo? Are you serious? Whatever. So now it's break time. It's time to talk some trash. And today we're gonna talk about quality customers. That's what I want. When we first started, I wanted every single customer, but I learned in the long run, you want them quality customers because if you're running around doing a bunch of jobs for a cheap price, you're zigzagging around, it's wear and tear on your vehicle, wear and tear on your body, and I'd rather do quality jobs and get paid good money and do less jobs so I can go fishing, take the JoJo out to eat, and I'm not just stuck in the business running around all day doing jobs, worn out, getting a little $45 here, $75 here. That's what I don't want to do.
So another thing you want to make sure you do to get those quality jobs is become a quality salesperson.
So that's something you definitely want to do. You want to be able to sell yourself on the phone when the customer calls so you can get to the job, and then sell yourself when you get to the job so you can do the job and get that money. So you got to be a salesperson. That's one of the most important things besides marketing is being a salesperson. So always have a smile and look clean cut. So JoJo, what's left? Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that. Raw, guys. No glove on or nothing. That is disgusting. It's exactly what you don't want to do.
I don't know what happened to my gloves.
Wow. So we got this bed, this little bit of clothing on it, which I'll wrap the blanket up like this and toss it away that way. We use sheets, blankets all the time to wrap stuff up, make life easy. And we got this table, and we'll be done up here pretty quick. And there's one more little closet right here needs to get this stuff out too. And JoJo's been checking all the pockets, just so you guys know. Now, something you always want to do is double check, triple check, make sure you got everything, because when you double check and triple check, check this out. You always find more stuff, so you don't want to leave nothing behind. Make sure you guys do quality work, and people will always call you back. And look at the JoJo. Are you happy the apartment's done?
Yeah, it really didn't take that long.
Not long at all. So we also have a load of appliances, which we won't grab right now. We'll grab the couches, the garbage, and we'll bring all this to West Coast Metal. So we'll grab the TVs, the chair, the mattress, and do a dump run, and then we'll hit the metal yard. Sound good?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So the apartment is almost done. We just got a box spring and a mattress and that little sweeper thing. So what's your prediction of the dump fee on the first one, JoJo?
Prediction is 68.
I'm gonna say 91. Let's see what happens. So the first load is done and we were way up there on the 8th floor. So how was that?
Wasn't bad.
Not bad at all, huh?
No.
So all I gotta say is, she won and she's happy because she beat me. Oh, hell no. So we're here at the landfill and we still got one more load to do, baby. So we're back for round number 2 and it's a bunch of refrigerators and stoves and stuff like that. And JoJo, what's going on with our Teespring Haulin' and Ballin' merch?
Well, we've heard from some subscribers that some of the things are sold out, so try again.
Yeah, you gotta check back in. It might be because of the sizes they don't have or something's going on. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
So just check back in and let's get this money, JoJo. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Now, thank God for this thing right here, the lift gate. This is the game changer for real. Especially when you gotta haul a bunch of appliances like we're doing right now. This makes life way easier. Now, leave a comment down below what you guys would charge for 9 refrigerators, 2 stoves, and we also got some microwaves over here. So we're back where we started. We sold the Tonka toys for $2.50 and the JoJo's on the couch, and I hear the guys on the roof still putting on the roof, JoJo.
Yeah, they're gonna be done in like a day. I can't believe a new house and a new roof.
So don't be a cheap hauler. I'm gonna tell you like this, your first year, you can definitely hit 6 figures, and by year number 2, no BS, you can do $250,000 with 1 truck and trailer. I'm telling you right now. Hopefully that motivates you guys. You wanna say anything else, JoJo?
No, it should motivate you. If you don't have a truck and trailer yet, go get one.
Go get one. Now I gotta let our cat out. He's been locked up, and then we won't let him out. Holland! There he is. So hopefully you guys like this video. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we love all you guys.